Hello everyone. Now I am going to deal the topic on the role of the probability distribution in business management. Now let us start. The probability distribution. A probability distribution is a statistical model that shows the possible outcomes of a particular event or a course of action as well as the statistical likelihood of each event. For example, a company might have a probability distribution for the change in sales given a particular marketing compass. The value on the tails or the left and right end of the distributions are much less likely to occur than those in the middle of the curve. Now we are go through how the probability distribution will be applied in a scenario analysis. The probability distribution can be used to create the scenario analysis. The scenario analysis uses the probability distribution to create several theoretically distinct possibilities for the outcomes of a particular course of action or a future event. For example, a business might create three scenarios: the worst case, the likely, and the best case. The worst case scenario would contain some values from the lower end of the probability distributions. The likely scenario would contain a value towards the middle value of the distribution, and the best scenario would contain the value of the upper end of the scenario. Now we go through the sales forecasting. One practical use of the probability distribution on the scenario analysis is in business is to predict future level of sales. It's essentially impossible to predict the precise value of a future sales levels. However, business still need to be able to plan for the future events. Using a scenario analysis based on probability distribution can help a company frame its possible future values in terms of likely sales levels and worst case and the best case scenario. By doing so, the company can base its business plans on the likely scenario, but it's still aware of the alternative probabilities. Now we deal on risk evaluation. In addition to predicting the future sales levels, probability distribution can be a useful tool for evaluating risk. Consider, for example, a company considering entering a new business line. If the company needs to generate the $5 lakh in a revenue in order to break even, and their probability distribution tells them that there is a 10% chance to that revenue will be less than the $5 lakh, the company knows roughly what level of risk it is facing if it is decides to pursue that new business line. Thank you.